What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Streamlight TLR sub, and this is the one for the Sig P365XL. So with that, let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what comes with it. All right, so this is the box it comes in, just a classic clear plastic box that basically all TLRs come in. So let's go ahead and get this opened up, slide it out, and looks like a pretty simple unboxing and a short one here today. So here we have the actual TLR-7 sub, as you can see, and yeah, looks awesome. I'm excited to get this on. I have a P365XL to mount this to. As well in the packaging, we have the battery, and this takes the... Let's see if we have it here written on it. There we go. It's the CR123A, which is kind of the standard for a lot of these bigger TLR lights. You can also use a Streamlight, same size, the 123A size. So just a heads up there. So with that, let me go ahead and show you how to put this in. Also, in the back there of the packaging, you do have the instruction manual. Just a heads up there as far as how to use it and everything, and you do actually get a cool little Streamlight sticker as well, and then looks like another little pamphlet with some of their other products. So a little bit of literature, nice little sticker for your collection, and that's it. So to install the battery, all you have to do is unscrew the front part here. Again, this is kind of standard on all of these TLR lights. And there you can see is the battery hole, and then to put it in, you're going to put the positive side as indicated by this picture here in first, like so. And then now all you gotta do is tighten it back on, make sure it is snug, and you actually might hear it click a couple times. And then now to activate it, you have to just push this, and there we go, good to go. And it is ambidextrous, so when you have it mounted, you can use this side or this side, as seen here like that. In this side too. And then also as far as the functions, obviously on, off, and then if you press and hold, that will leave it on, and then if you let go while pressing and holding, that'll just turn it off. So if you just want to hold real quick, turn it off. And then also it does have a strobe mode as well if you double tap it. Maybe not. All right, looks like it doesn't have a strobe mode. So you got the on, off, and you have the press and hold for this one. Just want to make sure before I did that, because I know a lot of the other ones do. But either way, this is the subcompact one for the P365. You can see it has Sig written on there. I'm going to have another video going ahead and attaching this on, showing you what it looks like. But again, this was just for the unboxing here today. So with that, if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Always happy to help. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll have some more videos on this as well as a bunch of other products coming here. And I do have some up already now. And as always, have fun shooting, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.